Hey friends, if you wish to update all Microsoft products using Windows Update, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So let me explain this first. When you update Windows, it updates Windows, it installs features updates, it installs fixes, it installs security updates, but it updates Windows. It doesn't update Microsoft Office. It doesn't update Microsoft Clipchamp. It doesn't update other Microsoft related software products, especially the paid ones. And if you wish to update them, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, select advanced options, turn the switch on for receive updates for other Microsoft products, and this will also update Microsoft Office. Now, why is this important in the first place? This is important because in the case of Microsoft Office, it doesn't automatically update. You have to update it manually. So this will allow automatic updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.